Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Ford F-150 door panel. First, ensure you have the right tools, such as a plastic trim removal tool, a small flathead screwdriver, and an 8mm socket. For safety, always disconnect the negative battery terminal before beginning any electrical work. Next, carefully locate and remove all visible screws. These are often found in the door pull, behind the handle bezel, and along the bottom edge of the panel. Some screws may be hidden behind small plastic covers. Moving on, carefully pry up the power window and door lock switch panel using your trim removal tool. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic clips. Once the panel is loose, disconnect all electrical connectors by squeezing their release tabs. Next, you will need to remove the inner door handle. Often, there is a small cover to pry off, revealing a screw that secures the handle bezel. Remove this screw to free the handle. Now, with all screws and components removed, it's time to detach the main door panel. Use your plastic trim removal tool to carefully pry around the outer edges of the panel, releasing the numerous retaining clips. Once all clips are disengaged, lift the entire door panel straight upwards to clear the door lock and window channel. Finally, reach behind the panel to disconnect the door latch cable and any last electrical connectors, such as the courtesy light. For reinstallation, simply reverse these steps. Before putting the panel back, inspect all clips and components for any damage and replace as needed. Ensure all electrical connectors are securely plugged in and the door latch cable is correctly reattached. Align the door panel carefully with the door frame, making sure the top edge seats properly. Then, firmly press around the edges to engage all the retaining clips and reinstall all screws and covers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.